Here are 5 reasons why I prefer to invest in real estate over stocks. Number 1, control over your investment. As a real estate investor, you have control of what property improvements to do to increase value on your property. Number 2, withdrawing money without paying capital gains tax. If you are in need of money and own real estate, you can do a cash out refi, and the money that you pull out, you do not have to pay capital gains tax on it. 3, leverage appreciation. When you buy real estate, you can buy a property of $800,000 in value with just $100,000. I'll give you a quick example. If you buy an $800,000 property with $100,000 down, your property could appreciate 10% that year, but it's going to appreciate 10% of $800,000, which is the property value. In other words, $80,000, which means in just the first year, you could potentially make $80,000 in appreciation from just a $100,000 investment. Unlike stocks, if you invest $100,000 and let's say you make the same 10% because it's not leveraged, you're going to make only a $10,000 profit that year. Number 4, real estate is tangible. A lot of investors like to see, touch, and feel their investment, and they know that it's there, it's not going anywhere. Unlike stocks, tomorrow the company can go bankrupt and your shares are worthless. And number 5, potential cash flow. When you own real estate, you can rent out the properties to generate you passive income. Where would you prefer to invest your money, real estate or stocks? Let me know below. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and I'll see you next time.